Okay, it's on. Hey guys, wait, there we go. Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're back in my very awkward stance. If any of you don't know, I'm Irish. It is Paddy's weekend. We're opening with the traditional, it's my friend's birthday. So we're going to his house, then we're gonna go to the George. I'm ready. I hate my outfit, to be honest. I had better options, but I wasn't feeling very good in any of them. Kind of a very summery outfit, which is good, because it's giving summer outside. We're going for a side part as well. I've got the juicy earrings. Please ignore. Can you tell I've like tried on a million things? The top, it's from Australia. This is from Zara. My skirt is from Brandy. It shrunk in the wash, so it actually fits. See, I should wear brown boots, but the heels of my brown boots are way too high. So I'm gonna wear my black Steve Madden boots. This Guess bag, the new one. Maybe we'll just wear non-matching bags and shoes. Okay, that's what we're doing. I don't know if I'm gonna get any footage. I'll show you what I bring in my bag. So I got my contact lenses in. Can't find any of my lip liners. We're doing black honey instead of my brown eyeliner. And I'm gonna bring a charger because my phone is very much going to die. Bobbin, inhaler, Vaseline, Rennies, all self-explanatory. These bags actually fit so much you wouldn't believe. I feel like that's it apart from the boots I need to put on. I tried on another top and it was really cute, but it feels like more of a we're going to dinner in a sun holiday vibe. In saying that, did I wear it on any of my sun holidays last year? No, but I'm not getting rid of it. All right, people, it's happening. Can't figure out how I want to wear my t-shirt, but got the Collada hoops in. Got some green bangles going on. This is my outfit right now, and I'm gonna put boots on to ignore my Christmas socks. But I'm like, do I just wear this down? I don't know. Please ignore the mess. Obviously, we're trying to get ready. I've got more green, don't worry. I'm gonna wear this bag. Very excited. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Basically, so I went out on Friday night and it was a time. It was a time, and I was in work Saturday, Sunday, meant to go out last night. I couldn't do it. I couldn't rally. It's okay, it happens, but we're going out today. It's 2 o'clock. I was with my family this morning doing stuff. 2 o'clock, we're meeting the girls. We're going for brunch to one of their houses, so I need to go. I need to get vodka. I need to get like baguettes or something to bring, even though I can't eat baguettes, but it's fine. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I need to figure out as well what jacket I'm gonna wear, because of course it's not sunny today after being like beautiful the 2 days I was in work, and there's a parade, so I do have to walk to my friend's house, which is fine. It's fine, but that's what we're doing. So booze brunch and then the local, and it's a little fit, and I need to figure out how to wear the t-shirt because it's not an Irish jersey. I didn't have one. I don't know. It'll be fine. We're going a lot of green, so I feel like it's fine. I feel like I have a hat to wear as well. Oh my gosh, just playing music. I don't know. I can't get it to like sit right. We're going green for Paddy's Day. Wait. Also, met Jack Swift in the George. I don't know if I can put the clip in because we were all just screaming. Jack Swift, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Not much to say on that one.
It's giving fire as fuck. We're on our way.
Good morning. Looking absolutely fabulous today. I got home like 4 hours ago. It's 11 o'clock now. I can never just go to the local and be done. It was a good Paddy's Day. It's very funny. We have a parcel. Okay. Okay, I got the Bailey Bow Uggs. I want to change, and like my Uggs really needed replacing. They're falling apart. How cute are those? They're actually adorable. I feel like lines on them, but we'll have a look and see. They're cute though. I just love the bows. Like, bring back these, and they're slightly higher. Like, I like a higher boot. Plan today, I'm not gonna force myself to start writing my essay. I'll do that tomorrow. I obviously skipped my lecture. However, oh, they're so comfy. Is this good? I don't know, I'm tired. I'm gonna continue filming my short film for college because I have a bit of a ways to go with that. I'm gonna see how many clips I can film at home, and then see if it's enough, or see if I need to do more or less. Once I get some more clips filmed today, it's probably enough to like start editing. It's probably about like almost half done if I get all the ones done of me at home. So that's probably what I'll do. Probably not much else, and the essay can be tomorrow's job. I'm honestly just tired though. I feel like if I had another nap, I'd be so fine. I actually did need this before I get slandered by everyone I know for always just buying clothes. Bring back like the unique styles of Uggs. I love a pair of these in grey, and I'd love a black pair. I'd love a black pair. Like these exact ones. They're so cute. I have no idea if I have enough footage because I'm banking on like going back and taking all the footage that I've been filming on nights out, which is not much, and it probably doesn't make any sense. And there probably has my friends in it, so then I'm like not gonna be able to post it. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my weekend shenanigans. Yeah, it was a good Paddy's weekend. Good job, team. Until next year. Okay. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Subscribe. Bye.